Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD Forex setups for today. So last week was pretty much a green week. Look at my oscillators here. They are starting to cross over. Second green body or second green week body, but we are below all the moving averages. So I'm not going to read too much into that just yet. We'd need to start getting up above 109 before we start seeing a move on the weekly to the upside. So levels are still the same from Friday, so it's 107,400 and 107,284, and then on the downside here 106,771, and you can see buyers coming in here, but then we closed down fairly strong, and not quite diversions, but look at my oscillators, they have separated and they're starting to roll. So we are sort of just hovering in amongst the moving averages, so I still don't see much opportunity on the 3 hour, and the 1 hour is even worse. So you can see the trend has been to the upside with the moving averages, but look at this crossover here, and it's above and below the moving averages all the time. So I'm very reluctant still to jump in on the Euro USD right now. Granted, the trend is up right now, but we're probably going to reject this area that we're coming up to, which is 107,284, 107,400. Reject this area and probably move back down to the bottom of this range if you're lucky, or you're going to get ambushed here at the gap, which is 106,933. I don't see anything that I would want to be trading. It's just too volatile. This whenever you see this below the moving averages, above, below, above, that's a strong indication that you're ranging, and it's not something that you want to get involved in. So that's kind of, my view stays the same as what it was most of last week, which is just sit back and wait for something to give, and this range that it's forming is going to have to break to the downside or to the upside before I start looking at anything here. So yeah, range danger is basically what it is at the moment, and I'm not interested in losing money, so we'll stay out of it. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.